if you're watching this, it's probably because you bought one of my color fonts through Etsy or one of my other shops. Sorry for the ambient noise in the background. I'm recording with OBS, which isn't very reliable. Anyways, I wanted to show you how to use these color fonts. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Here's one. This is the Belize color flag font. I'm going to show you what you would do. You just double click install. Okay, so I apparently already installed it, but I'll go through the process anyways, just so you can see what it's like. All right. Now we are going to go over to Illustrator. This is probably going to take a minute to load, so you can bear with me here. Okay, this is just reminding me that I had turned off my subscription, but I can still use Adobe just in a limited context, just so you can see what it's like. So we're going to create a new document. This is 2000 by 2000. All right, here we go. And we're going to start, obviously, by creating a text box so we can actually use the font. Here it comes. I'm going to hit delete. So we can have just one letter at a time. And we're going to go with A, just this one letter. And increase the size so you can be visible. And now we're going to go to the load the color font. We're doing the Belize one, KS. So you just come into this type bar, you just like you're typing the name of any other font. And here it is, the KS Belize font. And so there it is. And unfortunately, let me see if I can increase the font size actually here, because it's 72 point isn't very high. But we'd run into the same issue no matter what font we were using, of course. So. And there you go. See? It's as simple as that. You just get to type it and use it just like you would any other font. And well, we type something here. Flag, font. Now let's lower the text size a little, so that's too big. That many letters. There you go. Okay. And I'm going to close this. No, I can't close because I didn't have my Illustrator subscription active anyway, so I have to close without saving. That's all right. I was just doing this for a demo as it was. Now let's go to Photoshop. You can see that you'll be able to do the same thing there. Sorry, I'm getting over a little cold here. Would have had all of these programs open at once, but they obviously having Photoshop takes up a ton of memory, so I didn't really want to run into even more delays just having it open the same time as Illustrator, but it'll show up in a minute. Okay, here we go. Okay, again, we're just gonna create a little text box here. Really don't like how it gives you all this dummy text you have to delete every time. All right, now let's see. Okay, so created some blank text. Now we're just gonna load our font again. Yes. It just comes up. No, so here we go. KS Belize font regular. And there we go again. Just once again, we were able to just create. Oh, sorry, I made it a little too big, but you can size it up just any size you want, just like you could any other font. Once again, and we'll just try saying, "Hello, this is my Belize flag font." And there you go. See, it's as simple as that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it shows you that it's really easy to get started with color fonts and use them just as easily as you could with any other fonts you've downloaded. All right, well, I'll create another video shortly showing how to use it in Microsoft Word and some other products. All right, thank you. Have a good day.